Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Netflix error code Nw-3-6. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser, and on the search bar simply type in speedtest.net, and then you'll be seeing this kind of page. And now hit go and check to see if your Wi-Fi connection is strong or not. In order to fix it, drag down your navigation bar and then simply switch over to stronger Wi-Fi connection, or simply switch between the cellular data and try again. If that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside here, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and once it loads, scroll down and then tap on Netflix. And once you're inside Netflix, tap on offload app and then tap on offload app once again. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And after this offload app, you will have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, if that doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and now on the search bar simply type in Netflix and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update might fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.